So, if you're using WordPress and you've ever looked at the price of premium plugins or themes and thought, wait, why is this so expensive? So let's say you need to create a website for your client and you need to download plugins. But now Elementor Pro costs $37, which is quite expensive, right? I have found the best GPL site to download plugins. At GeoToko, you can get all plugins and themes for WordPress at a very good price. So on scrolling down the home page, you can see all popular plugins you need to create a website. They have Elementor, Yoast SEO plugin, Rank Math, WP Rocket, advanced custom fields, and even AddLinkFly to make a URL shortener website. With dynamic content for Elementor, you can create dynamic sites with repeaters. They really have good, affordable membership with just $7 a month. In just 1 month membership, you can download all plugin, theme, and Elementor template kits. With Lifetime Plan, you can download unlimited products with all future updates. Also, you get a lifetime Canva Pro subscription with this plan. Also, with this, you can test multiple plugins and theme for your site. So I would say $99 is very cheap for a lifetime plan. Like, let's say you want to download a page builder. They have all popular, like Bricks Builder, or if you search for WP Bakery, it's present here, or the latest one in the market like Etch Page Builder. So in this way, you can test the plugin as per your need. Now, if you go to the Themes section, you can see all the latest themes you need, like Divi Theme, Astra, Elementor, which is best theme for Elementor. Best thing is you can get a membership to try any of this theme you like. Most of the theme usually cost $50 to $60 from the developers. Okay, one thing to note that when you visit the product page, you can see download buttons with all the previous version. This will help you download the older version of the same theme if you have any error. Also, you can request the latest version of the product if it's not updated, or you could ask for a new product as well. So, by far, GeoToko is the best site to get plugins and themes for WordPress. GeoToko overall provide a great value. If you're a WordPress developer or freelancer, this can save you a lot of money because buying every plugin individually, like Elementor, WP Rocket, or Rank Math, can quickly become very expensive. So, if you want to explore it yourself, make sure to check out the link to GeoToko in the description below and see all the plugins and themes available there. Also, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because I'll be posting more videos about WordPress on this channel. See you in the next video.